Alright, so today we're gonna talk about the AULA F87 Mechanical Keyboard. This is one of those keyboards that's been getting attention for being budget-friendly, but also promising a solid mechanical feel. The real question is it actually good or just hyped? Here's the box. Pretty clean, nothing over the top. Let's crack this open. First thing I noticed, this keyboard actually has some weight to it. That's always a good sign. It doesn't feel cheap or hollow. And that's something you don't always get at this price point. A lot of budget keyboards feel super light or plasticky. This one doesn't. Design wise, it is an 87 key layout, so you will get arrow keys, saves desk space compared to a full-size keyboard. The floating key design looks nice and the keycaps feel slightly textured, not slippery. From desk setup perspective, this one is kind of a sweet spot. Compact, but still perfect for gaming and typing. Let's talk about the switches and how it actually feels. The key presses feel responsive with a decent amount of feedback, not mushy, not overly stiff. There's a bit of noise, but honestly for a mechanical keyboard, it's pretty normal. If you are upgrading from a membrane keyboard, this is going to feel a lot of different. For gaming, responsiveness matters more than anything. The keys actuate quickly. There's no noticeable delay or missed inputs. For shooters, MOBS or just fast-paced games, it keeps up without any issues. Now, let's check out the RGB. The light is bright and evenly spread. You've got multiple effects you can switch through using the keyboard shortcuts. If RGB matters to you, this one won't disappoint you. This is a type of keyboard you can game on very comfortably. No problem there. Alright, quick pros and cons. Solid build quality, satisfying mechanical feel, compact but functional layout, and bright RGB light. Cons are software customization is basic and not the quietest keyboard, limited premium features. But honestly, none of these are deal breakers at this price point. This is where AULA F87 really shines. Value. If you are someone who wants a mechanical keyboard for gaming or school or just work, and it's a clean setup, without spending a ton, this makes a lot of sense. Overall, the AULA F87 is a keyboard that punches above its weight. It feels good, looks good, and the most important of all, performs well for both typing and gaming. So, if you like this video and want more keyboard reviews or any reviews at all, like, comment and share the video.